If your coding agents become impossible to track after 3 prompts, you do not have a prompt problem. You have a runtime problem. The visible damage is always the same. Open terminal output, half-finished changes, lost decisions, and an agent that no longer knows where it was when it starts again. This video offers a simple mindset. Do not see OpenRig as another prompt layer. See it as a local control plane for agents, sessions, and restart points. Why does this matter now? Modern agent orchestration is often described as decision logic, which agents run in what order and who decides the next step. The OpenAI agents documentation distinguishes between orchestration by the model and orchestration by code. Model-driven workflows are flexible but harder to predict. Code-driven workflows are more deterministic, especially for cost, speed, and behavior. For local coding agents, that means you need more than better prompts, you need a visible topology. In practice, the failure mode looks like this. One agent starts in the terminal, a second reviews code, a third writes tests. After an hour, nobody knows which process was responsible for what. Then a window crashes, the laptop goes to sleep, or you need to continue later. Without a session, role name, and log point, agent work becomes a guessing game. The solution starts with a local map. Think of OpenRig as a control surface, an orchestrator area, one or more execution areas, a test area, and a log area. Tmux is useful because sessions, windows, and panes can persist when you disconnect and reattach later. The key point is not that tmux is fancy. The point is that every agent gets a place, a role, and a state. The first step is topology. Define which area controls and which area works. The control area does not creatively reinvent everything. It records which task is running, which agent is responsible, and the last known state. The work area makes changes, the test area verifies them. The log area collects the clues you actually need after a restart. The second step is restartability. After an interruption, a good agent session must answer these questions. What was the goal? Which files changed? Which check ran last? What is the next safe step? This also fits the MCP idea. MCP describes a standard for connecting AI applications to external systems, data sources, tools, and workflows. Viewed locally, it does not replace orchestration. It is an interface layer. OpenRig can sit above it and decide which local tools and agents to use. And when? The third step is role separation instead of a prompt chain. An agent that plans should not also blindly refactor and deploy. A review agent should inspect bounded tasks. A test agent should run reproducible checks. This matches the pattern of specialized agents. Small roles, clear boundaries, better control. The checklist is short. Is there a named session? Are there windows for control, execution, tests, and logs? Is every agent named by role? Is there a last known state? Can you close the session, reopen it, and decide within 2 minutes what safely happens next? If yes, you are no longer working with prompt chains. You're working with a local agent topology. That is where OpenRig becomes exciting. Not as magic above the model, but as an operating system mindset for coding agents. Share this with your team to save time.